rubbish! This chest won't open! The treasure inside must be very special indeed. Mr. Smee, bring me my cabinet of hooks.
Here you go, Captain. We have a lovely selection this time of year.
Barnacles! Bilgewater! Coochie-coochie-coo. Blast! You can't stay closed forever, Box. Once I get you to my treasure cave, I'll get you open. Boiling Bilgewater! What's wrong with this chest? Why won't it open?
Might I lend a hand, sir?
No, I'll do it myself. If this blasted box won't open, then I'll smash it open.
Oh, dear.
Yay, hey, no way! The only way I can get to my puzzle box fast enough to save it is to fly. Do you know what can help make me fly?